In this video, we're going to dive into how to track deals in Folk CRM, giving you a quick but thorough understanding of this powerful tool. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to sharpen your CRM skills, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to stay organized and optimize your sales process. Let's start with the basics. Folk CRM is all about simplicity and functionality. One of its standout features is the ability to track deals easily through a clean and intuitive interface. When you first log in, you'll notice the dashboard is straightforward and lets you manage your deals in one central place. To get started, head over to the Deals tab on the left side of your screen. Here you can add a new deal by simply clicking on the plus New Deal button. You'll be prompted to enter key details like the deal's name, value, stage, and related contact. Folk CRM makes this process seamless by offering drop-down menus for quick selections, allowing you to enter data with minimal effort. Once your deal is created, tracking its progress is easy. You can view all your deals in a visual pipeline that displays where each deal stands in the sales process. This pipeline is fully customizable to fit your workflow, whether you're tracking leads, ongoing negotiations, or deals that are ready to close. The beauty of Folk CRM lies in its flexibility. You can move deals between stages with a simple drag and drop action, keeping everything fluid and easy to manage. For more granular tracking, Folk CRM allows you to add notes, set reminders, and even link deals to specific contacts or companies. This makes it easier than ever to track your communication history and keep tabs on important follow-ups. You won't miss a beat when it comes to staying on top of your deals. Now, what really sets Folk CRM apart is its robust automation features. You can set up custom workflows to automate repetitive tasks like sending follow-up emails or moving deals to the next stage after a certain action is completed. These automations save you a ton of time and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Another key feature is the reporting tools. Folk CRM offers detailed insights into your deal tracking performance. You can generate reports that show conversion rates, time spent in each stage, and even deal velocity. These reports are invaluable for refining your sales strategy and making data-driven decisions. As you continue using Folk CRM, you'll notice the platform becomes even more intuitive with each deal you manage. From the simple yet powerful deal tracking to the advanced reporting tools, this CRM is designed to grow with you. Plus, you can integrate Folk CRM with a variety of other tools you might already be using, making it a perfect fit for your existing workflow. Before we wrap up, don't forget, you can start using Folk CRM completely free with our exclusive offer. Just click the first link below to get access to the software and some special bonuses that will help you make the most of your deal tracking. So, to summarize, Folk CRM is an excellent tool for anyone looking to track their deals with ease. From the clean interface to customizable pipelines and automation, it has everything you need to stay organized and streamline your sales process. Make sure to grab your exclusive extended free trial using the link below and start optimizing your deal management today.